Hello, who is there? Hello. Hi, Jui. Hello, Gypsy Soul. Oh, hi, Rajdeep. Hard, how are you? Oh, people are joining. Oh, Vishakha. Hi. This is my first attempt on talking. Yes, Jui, I'm good. How are you doing? Absolutely good. Hi, enlightened billionaire. I'm sorry, I don't know who's this, but hello. Hey, Vishakha, it's so lovely to see you here finally. I'm doing good. How are you? Hello, Dad. My dad is also here. Finally, Henal is live. So good to see you. Yes, Rajdeep, absolutely. It's actually a mixed. What do I say? I'm very excited, very happy actually to be here. And also there is a little bit of nervousness along because this is for the first time. We have not done this in the past. Hi, Nikhil. Hello. Who is this? CM Ravia. Okay, I think I know who this is. Hi. Jui, so good to see you after a long time. Same here. I am so excited to actually come on this live for the first time and speak with all of you here. Oh, CP. Hi, CP. How are you? How are you doing? How is everyone at home? Actually, it's quite, I felt amusing actually to come like this and speak for the first time because I'm not a celebrity like the singers who are here, all my friends out there. But it's just a little weird feeling. I just thought, let me go for the first time and see how it's gonna be, happening. Who else is joined here? Oh, that's my mommy. Okay. Hi, Chetna Mami. Kim Cho. We should talk on call. We haven't spoken for long. Hope family is good. Yes, Rajdeep, everyone is doing well. Thank you. Hope everyone is good. Firstly, I would like to... Pari. Hi, Pari. How is everything? Long time. Our missile is spending together again for the next time. Oh, another student has just joined. Actually, a student I'm saying. But I think they all have grown up so much. Deepa is here. Deepa Narvekar is here. Hi Deepa, how are you? Anita is here. Hi Anita. Oh, my mama has joined. Prakash Ravia. Oh, this is so amazing. I really didn't know, I really didn't expect all of you to be here. Yes, Pari, I'm absolutely fine. I'm doing good. Absolutely good. You're a celebrity. Aha. Okay, yeah, I'll give the autograph for the first time. Yes, everyone is doing good. Yeah, nice of you to go online. Yes, Dad, absolutely, I know. Thanks to all of y'all. A lot of encouragement from a lot of people. Hello, G. Who is this? Tahir Ali 5516. Hi. Hi, nice to see you all. So, Deepa is actually my student here. She, I don't remember the year, and I'm not going to tell the year also to Jui and Deepa here. I was teaching these two long back, and my very beautiful, amazing students they've been in the past. Lots of love to both of you. Hi Anita. Anita is actually here. She is my childhood friend actually. My hometown is in where I was born, that is in Gujarat, Botad. And Anita and me, we've been like playing, my Nana's house and her house is like, like just next to each other. And I've been, going to her house since my childhood and all. Yes, Anita came che Majama. I am also good, absolutely fine. I am sure apde jaldi marsu. I'm gonna talk a little bit in Gujarati also, Hindi also, English also. I don't know, I'm just going to move around on that languages. We love you too. I love you too, Jui. Absolutely, absolutely. I don't know if you know Sunaina Parmar. I just spoke with her yesterday. Actually, it happened to be I just spoke with her, and unfortunately, she's got COVID. So yeah, she's doing well now. I spoke with Sunaina. Chashmish, she might come online. I don't know whether she's going to join us. Yes, Anita Chokkas, we are definitely going to meet up soon, and hopefully next month, if I'm going to come down to Gujarat, we are definitely going to catch up 100%. And yes, I can take people live also. I don't know whether people would like to join me. Absolutely. But I have, before I take people live, you know, honestly, I want a little speak a bit, you know, on, no, not much a lecture or something. Oh, sorry, but a bit around, you know, this COVID times is really, you know, have been really, really difficult for everybody, not just for us, but, you know, everyone around actually, especially our industry where singers, composers, you know, everyone has been doing live events, live shows, and somewhere I think it's all at a standstill today. But I'm very happy with one thing, that, you know, we all have stood together. It's one big family, you know. Today I speak with a lot of my friends, actually my work, I wouldn't say they're co-workers, they're more on a friend note actually, all of them with me today. So we speak on a regular basis, we discuss a lot of things. I think everyone is supportive, everyone's going to help each other out. It's difficult time for everybody, even the others who are into various other fields also. But currently I think, you know, man proposes, God disposes, something like this. Kisko pata tha? Something like this, Corona will happen, you know, to our lives someday. But I feel let's enjoy, you know, whatever is there, because at least we are lucky. We are at home. Who else is joined here? Kishan. Hi Joshi. Kishan, how are you? He is a relative of mine and a very talented boy actually. I don't know who's this TK4777, whoever you are. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining me in my first live. So yeah, coming back to my you know, talk about the COVID, I was saying it's quite difficult, but yeah, I think we all are there together. We all are going to fight this together and going to try and you know, come out of this successfully tomorrow. My one more student is here, Forum is here. Hi Forum, how are you? Hi Joshi. Yes, I'm good, thank you. Yeah, I'm doing well. Absolutely, I'm doing well. I'm sure you can see me. I just felt let's for the first time, you know, come and speak with everybody like this. It's very, very odd for me actually what I'm doing right now. But honestly, you know, I have a lot of well-wishers. Honestly, I am lucky. I'm really lucky in some ways. I have a lot of well-wishers out there. My family is there. Some special people are there who've really pushed me. And whatever I'm doing this live today, right now, is all because of them. Hello, ma'am. All good? Yes, Forum. All good. Absolutely good. How are you doing? Hope everything's good with you also. I haven't met you also since very long. She was a brilliant, you know, student. Shambhavi, if I'm not wrong, this is my school friend Shambhavi Pednikar. Is that you, Shambhavi? Just tell me hi, Pednikar. I think she shifted to, I think UK, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, recently. Shambhavi is there. Yes, Dad, I know you will always support me. My father is, I'm sure you'll have seen, if you're on Facebook with me, you all must have seen my dad's picture also. I keep on posting sometimes. He's really been a, you know, I would say an extraordinary father to me and my sister. Hey Shambhavi, hey, yeah, I know. Thank you so much for joining. And this is Hardik Thakkar also joining me here. Hi Hardik, how are you? Yes, you are in London, and I do remember that, Shambhavi, you were in London. Hope everything is good there and you're doing well. Rajdeep, yes, we are definitely, and I don't know if you want to join later or maybe in the next session, but thank you so much for coming and joining me, and we will definitely talk soon on this. Himali Tiraya is there. Hi Himali, hi, how are you? Oh my god, Shivani has joined. Oh, so many of y'all are there. I am so lucky to have all of you here for the first session. Thank you so much. Yeah, if anybody wants to speak something or if anybody wants to join me, I think we can do that. But yeah, before I take anyone on this, you know, again a chat, I would just say that this pandemic is definitely very difficult for everybody out here, you know, but do one thing, just do whatever you love. and don't wait for anybody to come and push you in, and tell you that, okay, let's do this. Rajdeep, do you want to join me on live? If you are ready, you can join me definitely. I would love to, have you on the live chat definitely. Shivani, how are you? She's a sweetheart, darling. Actually, she's my would-be sister-in-law. Yes, they are going to get married hopefully soon. I want to come for your wedding, absolutely. Let's hopefully. Yeah, I want to come. Where is my brother, Har Dravya? I don't know where is he. I can't see him. If he's there, just tell me hi. And Vishakha is another dear friend of mine. She's in Pune, and I think she is also doing well there, hopefully. Absolutely. So if anyone is there and can I take anyone on live, please send me a request. I am doing for the first time. Hi Shivani, any student of mine would like to join also. I would really love to see anybody here along. Please do come if you want to. I'm technologically still challenged, okay, so I don't know how to add you guys right now. If somebody can please send me a request, I will definitely accept that. Thank you so much. I'm doing well, Shivani. Thank you so much. Absolutely well. I think Kushal is here. Kushal, if you can send me a request, or Rajdeep, if you can send me a request, I don't mind. We'll have a good, let everybody know you, definitely. Hey Vishaka, yes, everything is under control here. Yeah, everything should be, and you please take care of yourself. Please be safe. And again, thank you everyone who are here still and listening to me. I don't know whether I'm doing good or bad. I don't know what I'm saying sometimes, but yeah, I do talk a lot, especially these my sweet little students know about that. That man speaks a lot sometimes. That's another cousin of mine who's just joined here, Madhav Raj Sayagar. Hello Madhavan, how are you? Gypsy, send me a request. Let me see how do I add you, Gypsy. I don't know whether I have done correct or no, but hopefully I think you should be there on live. Oh yeah, he's joining in. Another beautiful person, my student. Oh my god, I am saying students and I'm looking like a very old auntie out here. But honestly, when I started teaching all of them, I was also quite young. Jagjit Kaur has joined me here. And who else are these guys? I don't know. But hopefully I will understand in a bit from now. I don't know why the network is so bad here. I haven't been able to access online. So anyone else is there want to please join me on this live? I would love to have you guys here. Please. Gypsy again has sent me a request. Let me see what's wrong. Hopefully the network should be good. I think, the internet is like a big boon for everybody in the pandemic. If internet wouldn't have been there, I don't know what we would have done somewhere. Yeah, I think you're trying to join me, but the net is real bad out